fix some coffee, and then we'll go get to this unboxing. Have y'all tried this? The Italian sweet cream cold foam? Yeah, I really like this one. Hold on, I have another one to show y'all. This is the chocolate chip cookie. It's okay. It's not something I'm just gonna, I don't know, it might be better in cold, like an iced coffee, but in hot, it's okay. It's not giving me, oh, I just ate a Nestle chocolate chip cookie. That's what my head is telling me when I bought it. But if it was cold, it probably would be good. But I like to use this one. This is a little top that goes on it. Shake it up, fix my coffee, and that's it. And the coffee I'm going to have today, a dark roast. The dark roast because school is kicking my behind. That's what it's doing. And I'm just trying to be woke, get this video out, go finish my homework. I have an HOA meeting this evening. Oh, that's where I'm at. That's where I'm at. But how are y'all doing? Did y'all see the increase? That's what we're going to talk about. Did y'all see the increase? Like, and from what I was told, this is just the beginning. They may have more. They may have more. So we'll talk about it, y'all. But let me get my coffee and then we'll go and unbox. Yes, and I know y'all see I have styrofoam. Y'all know I have cups galore. But this is my favorite. I just like drinking my coffee out of styrofoam. Okay, let's go unbox, y'all. Hi guys, welcome back to Mrs. B Lux Life. Y'all ready to unbox? Okay, I still got my coffee. Finally made it up here, y'all. This is about, I think like 30 minutes later, because my mind just keep, oh, go do this, go do that. Yeah, so that's where I'm at. But I'm gonna show y'all some other stuff before I get to the other unboxing. Let me move this. I don't know if that in my But I went to Sephora the same day I went to pick up what I picked up from LV, and I wanted to try Salt and Stone deodorant. I have the Rose Nior and Oud deodorant. So my sister, I don't know what scent she has, but she only uses this deodorant. And so I was like, okay, let me give this a try, because y'all know previous videos, probably like around November or December, I end up getting the Donna Karan deodorant. From what my daughter just told me the other day, that is the big thing on TikTok right now. So, okay, it's a deodorant, y'all, like seriously. But I picked this one up. So far, so good. I've worn it the day before Easter, the day after Easter. Yeah, I've been wearing it since the day before Easter. So far, so good. It has a good scent on it. So when I was there, y'all know my birthday was in March. I ended up getting this. That's my first time trying it too. And I had the summer, what's that? Summer Fridays lip. Hold on, y'all. What does that say? Lip butter balm. Y'all, my eyes, it's getting older. The lip butter balm. I did wear that while we were out of town for Easter, and I liked it. So I gotta keep wearing it and see this other little thing. What is it? It's a mask. So I don't know. I really don't put mask on my face. So I don't know if Ty might want to do it. I don't know. But that's what I picked up from there. And for Easter, I end up wearing. I wore these for Easter. Finally wore them. Y'all, this footbed. What the people do? Yeah, it is everything. It is everything. So if you haven't tried those, I'm not influencing nobody to go and buy nothing. But if they on your wish list, go and stop by and try them on. So let's unbox. Wait, before we unbox, wait, y'all. Now, LV know we're dealing with tariffs and all that stuff. It's that time of year. I had 2 CAs text me before Easter. Then I had one text me literally right before, well, 20, I say 40, 15 hours before the increase went in. Yeah. And I was just like, really, y'all? Y'all already been messing up with a lot of us, but you really gonna do it? A price increase with all this we got going on? So, y'all might know what I picked up because I've been talking about this item and asking y'all about this item if you have it for some months. And another clue, I tried them on in Vegas, but they didn't have the size I needed and wanted. So, my local store did. Let's go ahead and unbox. They've been sitting here, y'all, since before. They've been sitting here since before Easter. I knew I wasn't wearing them for Easter, so I already usually have, whenever we're traveling or when a holiday comes, I have whatever I'm going to wear picked out. It's already done. So this is the receipt, because these aren't from China. These are from the boutique in the mall. It is crazy you have to say that, but I've seen that on TikTok too. Like, these aren't from China. I don't know if they are or not. I know the stamp says, I think, Italy. But how do we know they're telling the truth? We don't. We don't. But let's unbox these. Look, that's how beautiful they are, all wrapped and nice. And let's open them. Y'all probably know what it is. Y'all that have been following me and have been my people for a while, y'all know. And they have a new box out, y'all, with like opening bags and stuff. There's a new box that came out a couple weeks ago. So I don't have a bag, so we got the oldie but goodie box style here. I do have some shoes. Y'all want to guess? And y'all, I know I have to do a giveaway. I'm going to sit down tonight because my giveaway is going to be awesome. Y'all going to love the giveaway, whoever wins it. But I got to figure out how I'm going to select the winner, what I'm going to do to have y'all participate. But y'all, whoever wins is going to love it. Whoever participates is going to love my giveaway. So I do know that. So this is what I got, guys. I got the Comfort Mules. That's another reason I showed y'all the Gucci ones, because they're comfort too. Well, they don't call them comfort, but that footbed is comfortable. So I got the Comfort Mules, y'all. So I am excited that I did add these. Now, these didn't increase. And my client advisor, she did text me this morning because I was looking for, if I didn't get these, I was getting a bag. Because I was telling her last week, I said, I know the increase is coming. I need to get one of my big things out the way, because it is just, to me, an increase is just like paying for shipping. It could have been $10, and I still was going to be like, you know what? I don't really need it anyway. But everything on my wish list went up $120 to $150. Well, I'm lying. Everything that was a bag. I have a couple bandos on there. They went up $10, the BB ones. And then I might be mistaken, but the small hoop earrings, I thought they were $5.15. They're $5.80 now. Yo, when I tell y'all, and my aunt, she was talking about, she had watched Forever Ebony's video, and she called me about a week ago or 2 weeks ago, and she was like, you ever saw the loop-in bag? And I'm like, I literally just watched Forever Ebony's video the day before. I said, well, yeah. I said, you're going to have to look on YouTube. I said, she said, and she beat me to saying it. And I said, she said, I really like that bag. It increased too. It was 27 something. I think it's like 29 something now. What, LV, like, y'all couldn't do like a 1% increase? Or $5 here, $10. No, y'all just went straight to the jugular. Like 5%. 5 point something percent. I've been trying to calculate it all day. Horrible. And I do have, gosh, I think I have, I'm trying to think of my wish list. I think I got like 8 things on there, but I have 2 items on there that I want, that I really, really, really do want before another increase. And that's it. That's it. I have to call my cousin later because she has some stuff that she wants to buy. It'll be her first LV stuff. It went up too. And she's a teacher, so she's at school right now. I'm going to have to text her. Because I texted my god sister yesterday and was telling her because she was looking to get these too. And we were talking about them and she was just like, it slipped her mind. And then today, that's how I knew the shoes didn't go up. Because she told me, she said, well, they still the same. I was like, well, that's good. But a bag she wanted has increased. And she's like second guessing it out. And I would do the same. Hold on, y'all. I had to move my camera because my tripod started leaning. So I'm like, okay, what are you doing? But these were, I'll put all that up there. These were $1,100 and with tax $11.90 and 75 cents. So right now they're still $1,100. But I know I've seen in the past how they'll do a portion of the increase and then they'll do other items. And I was on there just looking because I'm y'all been on there looking since like 2 this morning. I was like, are you serious? And different thing, everything on my wish list has went up. But I saw that they added the Speedy 30 and Damier Bean is back on the site. And the Speedy 35 and Damier Bean is back on the site. Both of them are like 16 something, y'all. I think that one was 11, I think. And I think this one was the one that was 7 something from years ago. 16 for the classic Damier Bean Speedy. They have it on the site now. In 23, I think that's when they took it off. It's back on there as of this morning, the size 30, but it does say call when you go on there to add it. The 30 and the 35 and the Damier Bean is on the site. Where they popped up from, I don't know. China might have sent them some. I'm just playing. I don't know, y'all, because I had so many people sending me messages and my DMs have been crazy with all these, what are they called? What are them people called? That's in China selling and sending stuff. They messaged me all day long. Like literally, y'all. Stop. I don't know. I have in my profile authentic. And they might be like, okay, this is authentic. Not to my standards, okay? Okay? Maybe to some others, but no, I needed out the boutique. I need a client advisor. Not a WhatsApp. Not a yellow box or nothing. That's just that. That's me. So, but let's look at the shoes, y'all. Y'all, when I tell y'all this sole is so comfortable compared to these, baby, these are the, let me see. I don't know how I'm gonna put this. Don't get offended now, y'all. These are the we're moms, aunties, GGs, and our feet start doing other stuff over the age of 35 plus. These are best friends right here. This kind of sole. That kind of sole right there. Yep, we like that. Cause see this one? Look at that. This one done been through high water and hell. Yeah. High water and hell. Slip sliding and everything. These are 39 and a half. And I love them. Yep, perfect. Okay, so y'all saw I tried them on. And y'all can see the back. They say made in Italy. Yeah, but that's how the back is. The sole is the comfort sole. So, yeah. So, finally got my comfort sole bomb dias, and I am excited. And that increase, y'all. That increase. Like, but it is what it is. It's life. It's life. So that don't mean I have to rush out and go buy anything. And you neither. Just get whatever you plan to get and, you know, leave it at that. It's the only thing I can say. I hate the increases, y'all. But I know that's just regular, the economy. But I hate it. Because, like, dang, how many times y'all got to do an increase? Because one client advisor told me they do it 4 times a year. And I kept trying to think back. I thought it was like 2 or 3 times. Before is wild. So I guess. But I don't really have a lot that I just have to have on my list. I just have this one bag that I do want. Because I bought it, I think in like 2018. It didn't have feet then. They've improved it and now it has feet. And I want it. So that's what I was going to get. But they only had the Azure when I went to the store. So I went on. They did have these in my size. So I picked those up. And yeah. So I did get my shoes. So I'm excited about that. They will be going. I'll be wearing them a lot with the Gigi bag. And yeah, that's it. But I got to figure out this giveaway, y'all, to see, like, what am I use? What am I going to use to do the giveaway? I don't know. I have to figure that out. I'm going to figure it out because it's been over a month now and I've not done the giveaway. So, oh, did I push it too far? Yeah. So, that's it. I want to show y'all that. Something else I was supposed to show y'all. I don't know. But I did buy something else. I bought something that I've been wanting for a while. It's not from this brand. It's from another brand. And I'm excited about it because it's something. It's supposed to be something else, but I'm going to use it for something else. I know that's probably confusing, but once y'all see what it is that I'm talking about, y'all will get me. Oh, y'all, the pouch went up too. The Key Clay Pouch S is $380. So what was it, like $360? I don't remember the price, but it's $380 now. Yeah, I was on there studying all these new prices because the bag I wanted that I'm telling y'all about is the Petite Noe BB in monogram. That's the one I want. It was $1,730. It's $1,800. It's okay. That's okay. Now, if it had been $19, I'd have been like, you know what? But I'm okay. The 18 is not that bad. It's still just like for what? Like for what? But okay, that's y'all business. I'm just a consumer. But I hope everybody had a good Easter. I hope you guys enjoyed family time with your family. I just kept thinking I wanted to open my stuff to show y'all. So here I am, opening up and showed you guys. And now I'm about to go run to the store. But if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I'm going to figure out about this giveaway so I can go ahead and let y'all know. But I'll see y'all on the next video. Bye.